influenza. Need a doctor? Visit bonsacors.com or call 864-610-5639 to begin your...
Oh, man. Look, the only thing, dyslexia or autism, whatever, you need some document.
Huh?
Oh, in front. Car accident. Shit. Oh, yeah, in front. Yeah, I tell you what, I call you back in front, car accident. I call you back, okay?
Okay,
I'll call you back, bye-bye. Fuck!
Got 100 cash. So are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay?
I believe it.
Where's hiding?
Mama? Holy fucking shit.
Oh, damn. Holy shit, dude! Holy shit! I'm out of here, dude.
Damn. Fuck!
She picked the matching color scheme, edited the images, and now spends a commute checking the e-com app to see which styles are making bank. No matter if you're doing it for love or money, style it, sell it, and make it with Squarespace. Start your free trial today.
Just because they don't want to do parking and chilling out downtown Anchorage.
Yeah.
It's like tucked into the suburbs, so I don't know, they feel safer. Oh my god!
Son of a bitch! And with
within that agency, this critical agency when it comes to border security, it's a revolving door at the highest levels. One of the reasons that several left, I'm told several weeks ago, was over this very proposal of mass arrest and mass deportations. I just don't follow this White House. They tell us night and day the big problem is the humanitarian crisis at the border, and the president is tweeting out a new initiative that has nothing to do with the border. He's going to go after people who have no criminal records and deport them. For goodness sakes, let's put our money where our...
How much here says it's out of control?
Okay, guy, you gotta get out there. Yeah, that's the bad with
Jesus!
Nice. Ran the light. And then open the door onto him.
But she's on her phone. I would bet money on it.
Dimes Wary from Pimlico in London had been planning to line the plastic weapon with a steel barrel in order to make it capable of live firing. The 26-year-old told officers the components were part of a university project. The LBC Markets report, the FTSE 100 closed down 39 at 74.03. The pound buys $1.25 and €1.12. LBC weather, showers clearing over eastern and southeast England. Some lighter showers continuing in Wales, Scotland.
Of whatever that would be in an elegy.
No, Brian Mallow, who's called a science comedian, one of my favorite jokes of his was a virus walks into a bar. The bartender says, "Sorry, we don't serve virus." A little bit of bio humor there. But.
Jesus Christ!
Freaked out, but then I just made believe it was chewing gum. Jeff Jarvis. Oh, Jeff. Jeff used to be the critic for TV Guide. Oh, go ahead, Jeff.
No. I teach students. I'm a professor.
Professor Jeff Jarvis. Thank you.
Wonderful.